Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to use show engine context command in OpenBots. So let's go ahead and see this command in OpenBot Studio. So let me delete these commands so that we will focus on the command that we are using right now. First go to core commands, and in that go to engine, and we have show engine context. Let's drag and drop that here, and if you double click that, this will display an engine context message to the user. So what is the engine message context? So we will see that what is the context message, and at what is the time delay that it need to show up to the user. So let's say it is in seconds, so let's give 50 seconds so that we will see each and every part that is present there. And the error handling part, if you want to report it, you can ignore it. You can do the exception handling for this command here and write a particular comment for that error. And if you click on OK, and this is how you do for the command show engine context. But what it will show, let's run this and check that. If I click on run, if you see here, it opened a pop-up which is showing engine context viewer. If you open this, you will see the file path, the project name, what are the variables that are present in this particular file. If you click this, there is only one variable that is present, which is variable name, which is project path. If you see in our workflow, I will show it after this particular execution. The variable value will be assigned at the runtime. So this is the variable value, and this is the file name or the folder name, and this is the project path, and this is the file path, what is the file that it is running. And you can see all those details, what are the arguments, what are the elements, what are the assembly lists, all these. If you want to, if you are running a 50 lines of 100 lines of command and you want to see the variable names or the variable values at a particular stage, you can use this command. That is what I was thinking right now. There may be different uses for this show engine context. Moving forward, we will see all those particular uses of this particular command. In the variables, if you see here, there is one called project path. If you see, value provided at runtime, but when in the context, in the engine context, we can clearly see the path of this particular file. And this is how the show engine context command works, and those are the details that we can get from this command. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.